Are you looking for better efficiency for your farm spraying operation? Do you struggle to get your crop sprayed when the weather's going to change and the window of opportunity is closing? Demco's Liquid Tender trailer is a great solution for these challenges. Available in various lengths of 36 feet, 38 feet, 40, 42, and 48 feet, Demco's Liquid Tender trailer is available to you in the size you need. Tank capacities are available in 2,350, 2,750, 2,800, 3,200, and 3,250 gallons. Listening to input from farmers, cooperatives, and applicators, the Demco Liquid Tender trailer is specifically designed with features and quality to be the tender trailer that you need, as opposed to a regular drop deck trailer with tanks on it. Demco's Liquid Tender is designed to focus on your tender needs. The tanks are positioned with one in the front and on the top deck, and one in the back of the trailer. This leaves plenty of space open in between for you to put chemical totes, a chemical eductor, or anything else that is needed while you're out spraying. 2 aluminum steps with handrails allow you safe and quick access to the deck area. Storage bins are optional to provide a place for jugs, tools, or other items. Ladders provide access to the fill well of the tanks. Air ride, aluminum rims, center deck tie-downs, and a 12-volt power supply are all available as options to help you customize your Demco Liquid Tender trailer to fit your needs. Demco's Liquid Tender trailer is made of high-quality materials and construction, including high-grade yield steel, 4-inch cross members, 6-inch C-channel side rails, and Apatong flooring. LED lights and DOT-approved tape are provided for your safety. Tanks are available from industry leaders Dinhartog Industries, Ace Rotomold, or Enduraplas. Black or green plastic tanks eliminate light from reaching the liquid inside and prevent algae and microbe growth. Spraying your crop effectively, efficiently, and timely is a crucial task to accomplish on your farm. Demco's Liquid Tender trailer is designed to help you accomplish this. See your local Demco semi-trailer dealer or call us at 800-543-3626 for a quote, or go to www.demco-products.com for more information.